What do you think? Now, will that find the 24 volt wire there, though?
No, it shouldn't.
It shouldn't? Here, let me see something here. So it's going to find the stud. There's our stud, and then, wait, what was that right there? Edge. What was that? Edge.
Does it detect field around the wire, or does it detect?
It just detects if there's a wire there. It'll show a little lightning bolt. I don't know. Hey guys, in today's video, I went back to that 24,000 BTU Bosch ductless system that we couldn't figure out why it was only getting one leg of power. We stole off an existing cadet wall heater. We were only getting 120 volts. What ended up happening was they were basically being controlled by transformers that went to 24 volt thermostats. So what they were doing is they were breaking one of the legs of the power with the transformer. So it had to, the thermostat had to engage the 24 volts to close the, energize the coil to bring to the other leg of 120 to the circuit. So that's how they were controlling it. Luckily, we had some attic space that we could get to find it, trace it out. What had happened, what we tried to do was just maybe turn the thermostat on, and then I jumpered the red and white at the thermostat, see if we could get that circuit to close. But the transformers were all blown up. They were all bad. So I just went up there. We took the transformer out of the loop, direct wired it. We have our 240 volts direct from the panel to our mini split now. So. And the way we troubleshot that was we used a wire tracer. Some guys call them tone generators. You put your probes on each of the wires, and then you can trace back, and it'll buzz that wire, and that's how you find it. A little easier. It's kind of a continuity check, but it's not. It's easier because you don't have to find the other end of the wire. You can just stick the probe on the wire itself. So if you don't have one, it's a handy tool if you ever deal with trying to trace out electrical wires. So anyway, that's what today's video is about. Tomorrow I'll be back out at my big remodel job. I look forward to showing you some more stuff out there. So enjoy today's video. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Tuesday, November 26th, 2024. Just a quick little ride along here today, just down the street from my house. Going back to that Bosch 24K single zone system that we were doing yesterday to go pull a new wire from the panel. I'm going to help out my electrician. That way we can get it finalized. I can get paid and wrap up the job. So we're gonna go do that right now, and then tomorrow I'm probably going to go back to the big remodel job and take care of a couple of loose ends there. We're getting real close to being done on that. Customer's out of town right now, as far as I know, and he wants this thing wrapped up soon. So I'm gonna try and get that done this week. And then I got a couple other jobs I might go do. I might rough in a couple ductless systems. I got to call the guy this afternoon and see if he wants me to do it. I'll give him a price. He's a referral from another contractor in town who does not do work in that area. So we'll see if he wants me to do it. If he likes my price, I got to travel a little bit on it. So I'm not gonna lowball it. That's for sure. So which I never do. So that's kind of what's going on this week. I'll be getting down to that big job, that hacked up mansion soon. I keep putting it off a little bit just because the roads have been pretty nasty down there. We're gonna get a couple week dry stretch here, so I'm probably gonna go take care of that during the dry stretch we're gonna get here. Might be the only break I get this winter to get it done. So anyway, I'll see you guys out on this job and show you guys how we pull a wire from the electrical panel. I'll be up in the attic crawling. I'll be the crawl guy because my electrician, he's not going to go up there, but I will. So I'll see you out there.
I was done. I forgot what it's like working in the rain and getting cold.
You gonna be okay?
What?
No, you gonna be okay getting cold and wet for one day?
It reminded me of working in Portland. Remember, you worked out. Didn't you work out in Hillsborough?
I worked everywhere, Portland
Okay.
and Seattle, entire area.
So, and dude, if I remember,
You're on video, by the way.
Oh, great. If I remember correctly, when you were working in Seattle, didn't it rain even more than
Yes.
Portland? Okay.
Well, it rained about the same. It rains both. I don't know who gets more per year. I think Portland actually gets more per year because Seattle gets shadowed by the Olympics a lot of the time. What do you think? Now, will that find the 24-volt wire there, though?
No, it shouldn't.
It shouldn't. Here, let me see something here. So it's going to find the stud. There's our stud, and then, wait, what was that right there? Edge. What was that? Edge.
Does it detect field around the wire, or does it detect?
It just detects if there's a wire there. It'll show a little lightning bolt. I don't know. That one still works?
It still works.
Oh, it probably does. Thermostats are very,
Them off the wall.
very reliable.
I can throw them away.
They're great.
You don't even go to the box. You're sitting on the box back the back filter, right? But a really fancy black back filter. I've never seen one like that.
Yeah.
I mean, long story short, he's got a split in there. We already had one leak from the.
Okay, guys, we're all finished up here. I don't know about that electrical, but it is what it is. He likes to use the slinky. Trying to be quiet. We got lots of action in this house. Give you guys one more look at the triple wide over there. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys, just a quick little video here while I'm pulling out. So there was a bunch of tracing we had to do, and when I get back to the shop here, I'm going to sit down and I'll show. I'll explain to you. I might even draw you a little diagram of what they did. But it's yeah, I'll just talk about it when we get back. So it's pretty interesting, and I've only seen it a few times personally. It's on much older homes like this one, so I'll let you know.